cherries! Artichokes, artichokes. The watermelon. We've got eggs and milk and yogurt and cheese. Hi everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. I have a box from Misfits over here, and I have another box from Misfits over there. Can you see that? 2 boxes from Misfits. We're gonna get them open and find out what's inside. But first, if you're new and you haven't tried Misfits before, there's a link in the description down below where you can try Misfits. You'll get a little something off your first box. All that out of the way. Oh, forgot. It's not sponsored. I paid for everything in both these boxes. Misfits does not sponsor me. I wish they did. Now let's get these boxes open and find out what's inside. I don't remember. I never do. We've got an ice pack. It's really defrosted. It's pretty much just soup now. And our useless piece of cardboard. The ever-present useless piece of cardboard. Okay, so we've got sweet kale organic chopped salad kit, and we get this a lot because we really love it. It's just super easy for me to do on days when things are just too busy to cook, and when, as it has been, super hot. Yay, we got some cherries. Okay, so I know someone said, and I'm forgetting who it is, I'm sorry, I'm gonna put your comment on screen. You've been getting cherries. Have you been getting them from Misfits? Because I've been trying to get them from Misfits, and this is the first time they've had them. I did get 2 kinds of cherries 2 or 3 weeks ago at Trader Joe's when I stopped in, but this is the first opportunity that I've had to get them from Misfits. Imperfect hasn't had them at all. We got our organic cherries. Yay, cherries! Cherries! Okay, and some broccoli. Broccolini, not broccoli. Broccolini, and this is all organic. Ginger. 2 of them, that's nice. For a while they weren't doing that. We've got some green beans. The organic haricot vert. We love these, they are so good. Artichokes. Artichokes. They said large, I'm pretty sure. We're gonna check that receipt at the end, so stay with me. But I'm pretty sure they said these were large artichokes. These don't look large. And maybe I'm wrong, and maybe we'll find out when I check that receipt that they weren't large, but I thought I remembered them being large. Who knows? We'll see. Leeks. These are huge. They don't even fit in the frame. I gotta back up. 2 leeks. 1, 2. It's nice that when something is plural with an S on the end and they say leeks, that we actually do get 2 leeks. Good looking leeks. Trying really hard to fit them in the frame there. Awesome. Organic lemons. And these look pretty good. Pretty good. And some red potatoes because I've been dying for potato salad. So now I can make that. And a watermelon. This looks really nice. This is supposed to be a seedless organic watermelon. Hopefully it is. Okay, now we're gonna open up box number 2. We've got 2 ice packs. These are actually pretty solid still. So the other one was defrosted, but these stayed pretty good. And I did forget to mention that they're using Climacell. And for a while they weren't using Climacell, so it's nice that they are insulating the boxes really well. Our useless piece of cardboard. Look at that. Look at that. How is that doing anything? We've got scallions. These look pretty good. And some red onions. These also look pretty good. And again, I think I said this, I don't remember. This is all organic. You do have to be careful with Misfits now because you can buy conventional and organic. So you just have to make sure that what you're putting in your cart is organic. And I've made mistakes with that. So make sure that you don't. Pay attention. I wish you could sort it so that it only showed you organic. Some limes. 4 limes, and our cold pack was sealed. That's nice. Ooh, a very solid ice pack in here. Good thing, because that's the cold pack. We've got eggs and milk and yogurt and cheese and stuff like that in here. Let's check our eggs first. Hopefully it won't be like that one time. These are, let me show you the package. These are the Pete and Jerry's eggs. And we used to get these from BJ's. That's where I started getting the Pete and Jerry's from. BJ's, you get the large eggs. These are medium, but I mean, that's not that big of a deal. Oh, they're in good shape. Nothing is broken. Unless I break them trying to show you. They're in good shape, guys. Very nice. Yay! And then we've got some milk, and this is in one piece. This expires in a little over a month, so that's nice. And the eggs are good. Let's see, what's the expiration date? For about a month. That's good. We got some butter. This is Vermont Creamery Rich and Creamy Cultured Butter. I don't know why it's not. Can you see it now? There we go. Now you can see it. I don't know what's happening there. And this is with sea salt. And then we've got my yogurt, 2, 4, 6 of the Knorr organic yogurt. I got some of the creamy cheddar natural snack cheese because it's really good for me to just stick in my bag. It's so easy. And some chicken, mozzarella, and bacon ravioli. Does this have an expiration date? No. I mean, maybe it does somewhere in a code, but I wish they would put expiration dates on this stuff. That sounds really good. And some buttermilk blue cheese crumbles. I'm gonna make a Cobb salad with that. Okay, this is actually a good amount of stuff, and I'm gonna get my camera. My camera's there. I'm gonna get my phone and show you what this looks like. So this is everything I have in the sink. Good amount of stuff. Over here we have the yogurt, the eggs, the butter, the milk, the cheese, and the cherries. Okay, now let's check that receipt. My mom just texted me a video of her dog. Maybe I'll put that in here. While I'm looking for my receipt, you can watch the puppy. Okay. So, let's see. The eggs were $3.29. That was for a dozen medium organic eggs. The milk was $2.99. That's for Organic Valley organic whole milk. It is ultra pasteurized, but it's organic. Yogurt, the organic I can't say that. The organic yogurt, $13.47 for 6 of them. Creamy natural cheddar snack cheese was $2.99. And how many are in here? 6. 6 snacky snacks. The buttermilk blue cheese crumbles was 4 ounces for $2.59. Butter was 8 ounces for $3.89. The bacon chicken ravioli was $4.89. The red onions were 2 pounds for $3.29. That's a really good deal for organic red onions. The scallions were $1.39. Organic limes, they say they were small. They're not small, guys. These are not small limes. When I think of small limes, I think of like key lime sized limes, like little teeny limes. They're not that small. $2.69. Sweet kale chopped salad kit was $4.29. The lemons were 2 pounds for $5.09. The watermelon was 1 for $5.09. The cherries were $5.99, and that's for 1 pound of organic cherries. That's pretty good. The baby broccoli, or broccolini, was $3.39. The green beans were $5.09. The organic large artichoke, it does say large artichoke, but it also says 1, but I got 2. So maybe they gave me 2 small artichokes to make up for the large artichoke? I don't know. $4.19. The leeks were $4.29. The ginger was 99 cents. And that's more ginger than we've gotten in a while. We usually get one of those, we got two of those. And the red potatoes were 3 pounds for $4.29. That's a good deal. So my subtotal was $84.18. Shipping was $6.99. So my grand total was $91.17. And Misfits says I saved $17.90. What do you think? Did I save that much? I think I totally did. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. And remember, if you want to give Misfits a try, there's a link in the description. You can use that link and save off your first order. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share it with somebody else that wants to save money on their organic groceries. Just post it to your social media too. I post videos every week, and at least one of them is always an unboxing. Be sure to subscribe and ring the bell so that you never miss a video. This is Amy. Happy organic eating. I will see you real soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.